Welcome to Indian Cartoon Gallery, first of its kind in India. Please enter the cartoon gallery. This is the first time in the history of India we have established the cartoon gallery in 2007. Since then we have been exhibiting cartoons every month, and this is 164th cartoon exhibition since the inception of the cartoon gallery 12 and a half years ago. And this is Sudhir Das cartoon exhibition. We have his political cartoons, pocket cartoons, and some of his photographs have been exhibited here. Totally about 80 the display works are here. You know very well that Sudhir Dar was a legendary cartoonist who expired recently. He was working with Hindustan Times for more than 40 to 45 years, and also he has after he retired from Hindustan Times, he worked with Pioneer, and even then his cartoons have been published in many major newspapers in the world, and he has been awarded the prestigious Durga Ratna Award. And especially I was speaking to him since long. I was expecting this cartoon exhibition to be organized by our institute long ago. This is, you can have this, these are all political cartoons, and he is very famous cartoonist not only in India and abroad also. Even you can remember Mad magazine has listed him in through 3 pages. In all his cartoons you can see subtle humor is very near to the common people. And his drawings are very simple and less of lines, and he leaves enough white space, and his caricatures are very different from other cartoonists. These are all his pocket cartoons. This is it. Every day these cartoons would appear at the corner of Hindustan Times. Every reader used to have smile on his face whenever he reads his pocket cartoons. Since 3 years, Modi government had entrusted calendar work to Mr. Sudhir Dar. He has done consecutively. Recently, he was just finished his work for doing 2020 calendar, and that photograph is there with us at the end of this exhibition. His cartoons, these are the colored cartoons he has done it, and these are very good cartoons. In all, the very good message has gone. These are also pocket cartoons selected from This Is It book. He used to select best of the ideas and put it in very simple manner so that all the people can read it and enjoy it. And this is what Mad Paper has said, a tasty Indian nut, Mr. Sudhir. This has come in 3 pages, 2 pages, and this one is the single page attached to that. This is the cover page of the book. And the last page, this cartoon has been published. Here all photographs have been displayed here, and this is 2019 calendar is released by Mr. Modi, the Prime Minister. Many of the dignitaries were there with him, Shah Rukh Khan, Khushwant Singh. Here is Yuri Gagarin, the first person who went to space. And this is the last photograph taken by his daughter. He was doing 2020 calendar. This is very important to us. This is the last photograph taken of Mr. Sudhir Dal.